Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a buzzer change its pitch depending on the amount of light. This is the code you will need to do this. I shall now go through every block and show you what it means. We start with the pitch block. This block will make it so the Microbit knows where to send the sounds to, which in this case is pin 0. Now for the forever loop. In the forever loop there is an analog pitch block. This will set the pitch of the noise and how long to play it for, and then it will play it. The pitch is a variable called tone, which under this block shows that the tone block is set to the light level times 3 plus 50. Now on to building the circuit. For this you will need a buzzer and 2 MF wires. One of the wires goes into pin 0 and another goes into 0V. Now, place them on the board and put the buzzer above them or below the wires directly. Make sure the wires are lined up with the buzzer. Now you need to download it and store it into the Microbit file that pops up when you plug it in. Now when you play it, if the light level is dark, it will be a low pitch, and if it is light, it will be a high pitch. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this video was useful. If it was, consider subscribing and maybe even just a like.